an at-home towel to use on your head. I mean, I absolutely love it, especially when I'm like doing a conditioning or when I just don't want my hair dripping all over me. Because like, I don't know about you guys, but honestly, when your hair like just drips all over you, I feel like I got spiders crawling all over me, and I don't like that stuff. So I got this at Walmart. I will leave the link below. It's called Turbi Twist. Excuse me if I'm not pronouncing that right. It's got this little thing back there. What you do, you just put that on there, wrap your hair up, just like that. Twist it, get my Erica Badu on. Tuck that in there, and yeah, you just, cause you know, like when you getting dressed or you like doing your makeup and your hair wet and it's just dripping down your face, and you try to use a towel and the towel just keeps on wobbling every time you use it. I think this is worth it because I could do my makeup, yes boo, and I don't have a towel falling off my head. Or like when you're getting ready for bed and you want to rub lotion on, you want to take your time, but you got water dripping all over you, making the lotion feel weird. So I thought this is very purposeful. Oh, I also like to use this when I do my self-care treatments, when I mix avocado and bananas and I soak in a bubble bath with like roses and candles. I put this on my head so I don't get my hair wet. If I don't want to get my hair wet, and it's just amazing. There's multiple ways to use this. I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Get a scoop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.